Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Grab a notebook, play along, and let's see how many you can get right. Ready? Let's dive into it. Question 1. What is the output of this print? Print 2 to the power of 3. The correct answer is B, 8. Question 2. Which function is used to get the length of a string in Python? The correct answer is C, len. Question 3. What does int 1, 2, 3 return? The correct answer is C123. Question 4. Which operator is used to concatenate strings? The correct answer is A+. Question 5. What does list of hello return? The correct answer is A. Question 6. What is the correct syntax to create a dictionary in Python? The correct answer is D. Question 7. Which method removes the last item from a list in Python? The correct answer is A. Pop. Question 8. What will be the output of this print? The correct answer is BN. Question 9. Which of these is an immutable data type in Python? The correct answer is D. Tuple. Question 10. What keyword is used to define a function in Python? The correct answer is B. Def. Question 11. How do you insert a comment in Python? The correct answer is B. #comment. Question 12. Which of these is used to import a Python module? The correct answer is B. Import. Question 13. What does this code return? The correct answer is A. 3. Question 14. What is the output of this code? The correct answer is B. False. Question 15. Which function is used to round off a number in Python? The correct answer is A. Round. Question 16. What is the type of this mom bars in Python? The correct answer is C. Set. Question 17. How do you create a list in Python? The correct answer is A. Question 18. What function is used to get input from the user in Python? The correct answer is A. Input. Question 19. Which of the following is not a valid variable name in Python? The correct answer is C. My_var. Question 20. What does this line of code return? The correct answer is A. 3. Question 21. Which of these is a valid Python list operation? The correct answer is D. List.append one. Question 22. How do you create an empty set in Python? The correct answer is C. Set. Question 23. What is the purpose of the continue statement in Python? The correct answer is A. Skip the loop. Question 24. What is the output of this code in Python 3? The correct answer is A. 2.5. Question 25. What does range of 3 return? The correct answer is A. That's it for today's quiz. I hope you enjoyed playing along and learned something cool about Python. Now here's one last question, just for fun. Did you enjoy this video? Honestly, the right answer is all of the above. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep coding.